You're searching online for the right attorney to help solve your legal problem here in New York. And now you come across an attorney on video who makes this guarantee. I guarantee that when you come into my office to prepare for your question and answer session known as a deposition, I guarantee not to show you any documents in order to prepare you. And you're thinking to yourself, what is he talking about? Why is he making such a guarantee? You want to know what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now you're online searching for information about which attorney is right for you to help solve your legal problem, whether it's an accident matter, whether it's a medical malpractice matter, or even a wrongful death matter. And now you come across an attorney on video who comes across and says, listen, I guarantee that when you come into our office to prepare for your pretrial testimony known as a deposition, I guarantee you not to show you any documents, except maybe photographs. Now, why would an attorney, number one, ever make such a guarantee? And secondly, would this guarantee help motivate you to decide that this is the right lawyer for you? First of all, that type of guarantee actually is very important, because when you bring a lawsuit seeking compensation for the harms and injuries that you suffered, during the course of your lawsuit, the defense will have an opportunity to question you in your attorney's office. This is known as a pretrial deposition. It's a question and answer session that you give under oath. And before you actually are questioned by the defense attorneys, you will have an opportunity to meet with your attorney, who will then prepare you and refresh your memory about the events that occurred. But you should know this, that if the attorney shows you any documents in order to refresh your memory, the defense lawyer now will ask you, hey, Mr. Jones, did you review any documents in preparation for today's questioning? If the answer is yes, then the attorney can now ask what documents you reviewed and also has an obligation and an opportunity to see all the documents that you were shown. So now he's going to be able to look at every single document that you looked at to prepare yourself for this question and answer session. So imagine if an attorney turns around in their marketing message and says, we guarantee that when you come into our office and we prepare you for your pretrial testimony, we guarantee not to show you any documents. And why would that happen? Because the moment an attorney shows you a document, now the defense attorney will be able to look at it in order to go ahead and question you about what it is that you looked at. Do I think any attorney in New York is ever going to offer this type of guarantee? The answer is no, I don't. Why not? Because I think most attorneys are afraid to go out of the box, out of their comfort zone, and they simply won't do it. But how cool would it be if an attorney actually did that? You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular problem. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.